These are 6 travel accessories I never travel without.
This is a travel carbon monoxide alarm that I pack on every trip after my mom sent me one too many articles about accidents happening at Airbnbs abroad where they don't legally require buildings to have these in them. It just plugs into the wall, it's also battery operated, and it just gives me peace of mind when I travel. I also always travel with these 3 Bagu pouches. I keep some random toiletries in the smaller one, but the 2 bigger ones I always bring and put shoes in them. These can fit a pair of sandals, ballet flats, and these are great for bigger shoes like sneakers or anything that has a little bit more of an ankle to them. Instead of buying single-use travel toothpaste tubes, I switched to these reusable toothpaste tubes from travel gear brand Matador. For $10, it comes with 2 sets. One is this 2-week capacity tube and a smaller 1-week capacity tube. It works just like a regular toothpaste tube once it's filled. There's a little bit of a learning curve to figure out how to refill these, but once you get into the habit of it, it's pretty fast. So you slide off the plastic bit on the top like that, and then open the tube, and then fill it with toothpaste in there. Whenever I fly on an airplane or in the winter, I always bring this face cream that I got after a trip to the Blue Lagoon, and it is super rich and thick and really great for incredibly dry airplane air, and it always saves my skin whenever there's no humidity in the air. So whether it's winter or on an airplane, it always keeps my skin looking great. The next thing I always pack, whether I'm traveling or working from a hotel lobby, is this charging brick from Anchor. It's a 3-in-1 port, so I can charge my computer, my iPhone, and 1 more device all at the same time, and I don't have to pack multiple charging bricks, and it saves me so much space in my personal item. This is a travel pill case I bought on Amazon. Instead of packing 8 different bottles, I can bring this one thing and bring about a week's worth of medicine along with it for anything I use daily up here and then any just-in-case needs down here.
Thanks for watching, and if you're interested in buying any of these products, the links are below.
No.